What's up? AI Workshop back. Today I'm going to show you how to check your outer tie rod ends and your ball joints. Quick, simple, easy. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, I already got it jacked up. Okay, first thing I'm going to check is the outer tie rod ends. Alright, so I put my hand at 3 and 9 and I shake it back and forth. You know, it's got a lot of play in it, so that might be out of tie rod. All right, now I'm gonna check the ball joints before I go underneath. I get my pry bar, put it up on the tie end, pick it up. There's not really a lot of movement, really no movement up and down, so that's telling me my ball joints are pretty good. But this side to side here, I'm gonna have to take a look at. Okay, now we're underneath. Okay, now we're underneath. Alright. This is out of tie rod end. Alright, if you look how much movement it got. See all that movement? Right here. That's no good. Your outer tie rod's bad. Well, that's it. That's how you check your ball joints, your outer tie rod ends. Thanks for watching.